It's Tuesday afternoon at Crook County High School, and the final class bell rang an hour ago. But kids are still in the building. In the library, the Dungeons and Dragons Club is in full swing.
Last year, a student approached me and was like, we don't have a club for Dungeons and Dragons. Can we do it at school? And I was stoked because I grew up playing Dungeons and Dragons. I still play Dungeons and Dragons. And so immediately I was like, yes, let's do this. And it's really grown into something super fun.
One of many new unique after-school programs that the district is offering the student body.
It gives me something to do, honestly, other than just kind of sitting at home.
It's an absolute highlight to be here.
Oh, those are really good.
Over at the middle school, it's the same story. Middle schoolers are baking their latest culinary masterpieces in the Cookie Club. Today's cookie?
Lemon butter cookies.
The district has made a concerted effort to meet kids at their particular interests. They realize there's huge positive benefits to offering kids activities that keep them engaged, keep them at school longer, and keep them out of trouble.
We see attendance, engagement, student engagement, just increase massively when there's high interests and specific things. And clubs are a great way to do that.
They also realize not all students are interested in the more traditional sports and clubs.
I like cooking. I guess I'm kind of an enthusiast of cooking.
Whenever I'm here, I definitely get to socialize with new people, and I'm not usually used to that. So it definitely kind of gets me out of my shell, and I have met a couple new friends.
My favorite part of the cooking class is probably that I get to do it with my friends and work as a group to make really good treats.
The Dungeons and Dragons Club and Cookie Club are just 2 of 26 offerings district-wide. And the numbers are impressive. At the high school level, participation numbers are hovering around 70%.
I think after-school programs help kids enjoy school.
It definitely enhances everything. When you have something to look forward to, it gives you a reason to strive. It gives you a reason to make it to the end of the week so that the next week can start. And it's definitely a highlight no matter what.
The students really benefit from having time to come down from school, connect with their friends, use their imaginations, right? Not just get on a phone, not just watch TV, but actually engage with creative opportunities. And I think that happens here.
It brings us all together, and our little school has a great community.
This is something that makes me happy, and it makes other people happy that I'm happy.
I find that I feel like I belong at this school more when I engage in these kinds of activities. And when I feel like I belong here, I teach better, right? This isn't just a job. Teaching isn't just a job for most teachers. It's more than that.
In Prineville, Eric Lindstrom, Central Oregon Daily News.